Good afternoon everyone. Today I will present my Java Object-Oriented Programming project called Castle Battle Kings 2D. The project is a simple battle game developed using Java and Swing GUI. It demonstrates the major concept of object-oriented programs such as classes, objects, encapsulations, abstractions, interfaces. What is the classes? The classes is a blueprint used to create objects. Example from my project: game character, player, warrior, weapon. Each classes contain data and inheritance methods. What is an object? An object is an instance of a class. Example from my project: player.java. This file is blueprint for a player. An object would be a specific character. You are controlling on the screen right now, which has its own health bar and scope. Potion.java. These files indicate how items work. An object would be the exact healing position currently sitting inside your specific inventory object or the unique character currently has equipped. Inheritance. Inheritance allows one class to refuse other class. Example: Arthur, Shadow Knight. The player is Arthur. The Shadow Knight is a warrior. The game characters are Arthur and warrior. Composition has a relationship. The player class has an inventory. Private inventory command has a relationship. This demonstrates the has a relationship. Method overriding. Example: warrior overrides performance action to provide a warrior specific action. Inscription handling. Inside the inventory class, this is an example. This prevents the program for crashing when the inventory becomes full. During the demonstration, I will show. The characters are: enemy is Shadow Knight. This is a castle battle. This is a castle tower. Arthur is a warrior. There are 3 buttons available. First button is attack with sword. Second button is cast spell. Third button is defend. Enemy Shadow Knight level 4 currently has 19 HP. Indicate in the top right header and represent virtually by the green health bar beneath the red circle avatar. Casting damage when you hit action buttons like attack with sword and cast spell. The game executes then combat logic. For damage formula, calculate the damage output based on Arthur level, state and weapon power. Minutes the enemy defense. The calculate damage is subtract from the enemy's total HP. Example: reducing HP from 90 to 635. Dynamic health bars and status update. Virtual health bars. Both Arthur and Shadow Knight have dedicated health bars indicators. As HP drops, the weight of these virtual bars scales dynamically. properly to current HP, max HP, real-time status bar. The top of the status bar acts as the live game simulator. Weapons and inventory system logic. Even though a full inventory URL is not exactly open, undefined or relies on weapon and inventory logic drive the battle. Equipment weapons. The attack with sword button demonstrate that the author has specific weapon equipment sword. In the game code, the sword stores attributes such as base, attack power, critical hit rate, or weapon levels, which directly calculate how much HP the enemy is during attack. This project is about implementation of object-oriented program concept. During development, I designed multiple Java classes, applied inheritance, built a graphical user interface using JavaScript, connected game logic with object inferences, test the program, ensure connect functionality. This project improved my understanding of how OOP used to build real software applications. Conclusion. This project successfully demonstrates the core principle of object-oriented programming through a simple Java build. It includes classes and objects, encapsulation, interface, abstraction, JavaScript UI. Thank you for listening.